Known to be a sin. Baggy jeans, b-balling above the rim. All we known to do is play basketball and leave the education to them. Then they lock us behind bars for not telling. Is that a sin? Known to be players, pimps, and no good daddies. Identified by skin that's dark and hair that's snappy. But being black is an art from God. Some say he ran out of white. But I'm proud to be black because I can see the true beauty in night. Martin Luther King had a dream. We just need to color it. I'll paint it with my voice and prove I'm not illiterate. If Malcolm X wanted us to get our fists bloody, then that's just what we'll do. Cause some things are worth fighting for, like being able to sit by you.
Aww.
Throughout our struggle, civil rights still remains a dent. They call me ignorant, but who you know can buy 5 things with 50 cents? 10 to a house, 3 to a bed, taking a bath with your cousins and a pillow with 2 heads. All we want is our pride and dignity because that's just what they took. They say blacks don't read, but we the main ones writing books. We laugh and joke and say that Rosa Parks was lazy. That's why she didn't give her seat up on the bus. But we did the Million Man March, so what they know about us? Dark and lovely, perm boxing it, braid rocking, dread locking it, red, white, and blue, but who's fooling who? There's no such thing as Black History Month, because every day is ours. I was born black and I'm still black to this hour. And throughout all our struggles, I am still an American figure. And I'm the genius, because everything I said was real, and not once did I use the word